Hey guys, Gordon Hawlings here. I'm just checking in to do a quick update for first video of the year. So today is Thursday, just started my work week, working Thursday, Friday, Sunday and Monday night. So far, if I don't receive any more bookings for Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm on my way now to Helsingborg. I've been loading up at Pågen some Swedish kanelgifflar, which is, I think it's like basically cinnamon rolls for IKEA. And by the time I'm releasing this video, I just also released a video in Swedish covering some questions I received about drive and rest period regulations and the tachograph. And usually I release my videos both in Swedish and in English. This time I have only released it in Swedish because there are some regulations that I don't know yet if they are applicable also in the rest of the Europe. So I want to research first to make sure that I don't give you any information that isn't applicable for the rest of Europe. And I think some exceptions that we have are only in Sweden. We have something called Vägarbetstidslagen, which I think translates to the Road Transportation Working Time Act, at least if Google shows me the right thing. So I need to do some research first before I can release it in English. I already recorded it, but I need to know if it's the correct information. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Also planning some big news for the channel for 2026. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the news and what will be coming up on the channel later this year. So gonna have some fun with the channel, gonna expand it even more. And I also have started recorded a video, full instruction videos on a lot of tips on how to reverse with the trailer. And yeah, we have a lot of snow here in Sweden, so just got put on a hold of the recording because it's not a great time to record when it's snow all over the ground. It's not easy to see the lines. So yeah, I'm gonna continue recording that video as soon as all the snow disappears here. It's raining a lot here in Sweden now, so I hope the snow will be gone in a couple of weeks. So I got a lot of requests for doing a complete instruction videos for trailer, so I think it will be pretty good. And if you guys have any other requests of videos you would like me to do, please put in a comment. I will try to see if I can make something out of it. Yeah, so this was just a quick update. I hope you guys have a great weekend and drive safe. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to help support me, help grow the channel. And I see you guys in the next video, and take care. Bye bye.